Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and let me show you how to change the screen timeout on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, find and pick the settings, scroll a bit down and select display. Now a bit lower you will find screen timeout, so simply click on it and now pick the particular period of time, so it can be 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So let me pick for example 5 minutes, and from now on our screen will be out after 5 minutes of inactivity. So obviously you can change it to 15 seconds, that will be basically the best for your battery, but most comfy is something about 1 minute. This is what I would recommend, but it's all up to you, so simply change it whenever you want to, whenever you need to, and adjust it to your own needs. So that will be all. This is how you can change screen timeout in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.